So this would be middle C, and this is tied notes that is coming from previous measure, and then 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and I'll play just the left hand. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. This is middle C. And then we're supposed to repeat, but I'm going to go again from the beginning of the, I'm just going to continue. This would be the second ending. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then I'm going to play the right hand. So it's tied notes. B, B, E, D, C, B, B, and that would be the first ending. Then I will continue and play second ending. Now I'm going to play the whole page together. The first ending. Second ending. No, that's not second, I'm sorry. Still first ending. And now this would be the second ending.